In this video, we listed the 5 best vacuum cleaners on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. YOSUDA Magnetic Rowing Machine. The YOSUDA rowing machine is a high-quality exercise machine designed for home use, boasting over 20 years of expertise and trusted by more than 3 million families. It features a powerful 10 pounds flywheel with a magnetic resistance system that offers 16 levels of tension, accommodating users of all fitness levels. The machine is constructed from durable alloy steel, supporting a maximum weight of 350 pounds and a range of motion suitable for users between 4 feet 5 inches and 6 feet 2 inches. Its dual silent system ensures a quiet workout experience, while the 3.45-inch LCD monitor tracks essential metrics like distance, time, calories burned, and stroke count. Additionally, it includes a tablet holder for entertainment during workouts, and its compact design allows for 70% space savings when stored upright. Assembly is straightforward, taking only 25 minutes with minimal parts, and YOSUDA provides responsive customer support for any inquiries. Number 2. MERACH Rowing Machine. The MERACH Q1S Magnetic Rower is a versatile and user-friendly rowing machine designed for home fitness enthusiasts. Featuring an adjustable resistance mechanism with 16 tension levels, it accommodates users up to 350 pounds and is suitable for individuals up to 6 feet 7 inches tall. The machine measures 65-inch dx 19.3, wx 24.8, h and weighs 40 pounds, making it both sturdy and easy to move, thanks to its built-in base wheels. Users can track workout metrics such as distance, time, calories burned, speed, heart rate, and cadence via the free MERACH app, which also offers various courses to enhance the rowing experience. Its magnetic flywheel system ensures a quiet workout, preventing disturbances to others in the household. The dual slide rail design mimics the stability of wood rowing machines, while assembly is straightforward, taking approximately 30 minutes. With a compact footprint for both use and storage, this rowing machine is an excellent addition to any home gym. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Niceday Magnetic Rowing Machine. The Niceday Pro rowing machine is a versatile and robust fitness solution designed for home use, featuring a magnetic resistance mechanism with a tough 12 pounds flywheel that offers up to 66 pounds of adjustable resistance across 16 levels, catering to both beginners and experienced users. Built with high durability aluminum alloy, its sturdy construction can support up to 350 pounds, ensuring stability during workouts. The machine includes an intelligent LCD monitor that tracks essential metrics such as speed, heart rate, calories burned, time, and distance, while a tablet holder allows for an immersive experience when connected to fitness apps like KineMap. With a smooth and quiet rowing action, it is suitable for any time of day, and its compact, foldable design requires only 2.79 square feet of space, making it easy to store and relocate. Assembly is quick, taking only 20 minutes, and user-friendly features like non-slip foot pedals and soft foam handlebars enhance comfort and safety. Backed by 30 years of expertise in the fitness industry, Niceday offers a 3-year manufacturer's service, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. Number 4. Sunny Smart Rowing Machine. The Sunny Health and Fitness SF RW5639 rowing machine offers a comprehensive full-motion workout, engaging multiple muscle groups including legs, back, core, and arms through its 360-degree arms that simulate natural rowing. With a robust weight capacity of 350 pounds and a compact design, it is suitable for users of various sizes while fitting seamlessly into smaller spaces. The machine features a digital monitor that tracks key metrics such as stroke rate, time, count, calories, and total strokes, enhancing workout monitoring. Its 12 levels of smooth hydraulic resistance allow users to easily adjust intensity, and the ergonomic padded seat and non-slip grip handlebars ensure comfort and stability during prolonged workouts. Assembly is straightforward, and safety features like large anti-slip foot pedals and adjustable straps provide additional security. Backed by over 20 years of experience, Sunny Health and Fitness is committed to delivering quality fitness products and exceptional customer service. Number 5. Hydrow Wave Rowing Machine. The Hydrow Wave Rower is a cutting-edge fitness machine designed for efficient, low-impact workouts that engage over 86% of your muscles in just 20 minutes. Featuring a sleek pirate black design, it boasts a lightweight and foldable aluminum frame, making it easy to store while accommodating users up to 375 pounds. The rower includes a 16-inch HD rotating touchscreen display with built-in speakers, offering immersive workouts led by world-class instructors through a subscription-based membership that grants access to over 5,000 diverse at-home workouts. Its proprietary electromagnetic drag technology simulates the experience of rowing on water, while additional features such as a padded seat, adjustable foot straps, and a low-stress grip handle enhance comfort. The Hydrow Wave also supports Bluetooth connectivity with devices like Apple Watch and heart rate monitors, making it a versatile addition to any home fitness routine.